I think a lot of people are asking the wrong question about Rodin AI. Everyone wants to know, can AI replace 3D modeling? But after spending time looking into tools like this, I don't think that's a question that matters. The better question is, can it replace the part of 3D modeling that takes forever? Because those are two completely different conversations. Let me explain what I mean. If you've ever opened Blender or another 3D program for the first time, you know the feeling. There are buttons everywhere. You watch a 20-minute tutorial, try to follow along, and somehow your model still looks nothing like the one in the video. That's the point where a lot of people give up. Not because they don't have ideas, but because the learning curve is brutal. That's why Rodin AI caught my attention. Instead of starting with an empty workspace, the whole idea is to get you to a usable 3D model much faster. And honestly, I think that's where AI is becoming genuinely useful. Not because it removes creativity, but because it removes some of the repetitive work that stops people from getting started in the first place. Now, if you're expecting movie quality game assets with one click, I think you're setting yourself up for disappointment. Professional 3D artists aren't disappearing anytime soon. Games, films, product design, and animation still need people who know how to refine models, fix topology, optimize assets, and make creative decisions. AI can't replace years of experience overnight. But here's where I think Rodin AI becomes interesting. Imagine you're a solo creator building a game, a startup creating product mockups, or a YouTuber who just needs a quick 3D asset for an animation. In those situations, waiting days to build something from scratch doesn't always make sense. If AI gets you 70 or 80% of the way there, you've already saved a huge amount of time. So, can AI finally replace 3D modeling? I don't think so. Can it replace hours of repetitive setup and give creators a much faster starting point? That answer is getting closer to yes, and I think that's why tools like Rodin AI are getting so much attention right now. Now I want to ask you something. If AI could instantly create one 3D model for your next project, what would it be? A game character, a product prototype, a YouTube animation asset, or something completely different? Comment below and let me know. I'm really curious to see how different creators would actually use a tool like this.